Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today, I will describe about our project Gotong Royong the Taman Saintex Tour for project management subject. Hi, so for the organization chart, I am the protocol committee leader, which is Fatin Najah Afiqah binti Zainal, and then I have Lo Jinmei as the briefing and announcement officer, Lurul Ali Murniza binti Ali as area assignment coordinate, Muhammad Amiruddin bin Jalaluddin as safety and movement coordinator, Nurul Syamimi binti Sukri, event flow coordinator, and the last one is Nurul Nabila Abdul Latif as deputy protocol leader. For the first, project background. Gotong Royong is an effective community activity that promotes environmental cleanliness and strengthens cooperation among residents. Public spaces such as playground are important for recreation, especially for children and families. However, without regular maintenance, this area can become dirty and unsafe. Therefore, collective community efforts are essential to ensure that Sintex 2 playground remains clean, safe, and comfortable for public use. Hi, so here I'll be describe about the problem statement, objective, and also the scope. Okay, for the first one is playground cleanliness remains inconsistent despite routine maintenance. Second, cleaning activities are irregular and lack organization. Last one is community participation, awareness and limited. Then for the objective, there's two. So for the first one is organize and coordinate a Gotong Royong activity to improve cleanliness, safety and environmental quality. Second one is create a clean, safe and welcoming playground while fostering responsibility, cooperation and community spirit. And the last one for the scope. For the first one is plan and coordinate the Gotong Royong program, prepare task list, and also last one is assign duties to the participants.
Hi, I'm Ali Mirza binti Ali. I will explain about the costing we use in our program. There is two different costing, which is direct and indirect. For the direct cost, there is five category, which is cleaning equipment, waste disposal, safety equipment, refreshment, and also contingency cost. And the total of the cost is 145 and 20 cents. For the indirect cost, there is four category, which is transportation, communication, utilities, and administrative costs. And we estimate the total of the estimate cost is 230 ringgit. Next, for the SWOT analysis of our program, first, the strength. We have a strong teamwork, active community participation, effective communication and promotion, and also positive public image. And the weaknesses, with dependence on volunteers, we have a limited budget and fixed time frame. The opportunities are strengthen community relationship, promote environmental awareness, and organize future programs. And for the threats, low volunteer turnout, limited resources and manpower, and unpredictable weather.
From the work breakdown structure for Gotong Royong in Taman Permainan Sektor 2, it is understood that there are 6 major phases in this project that begin from planning until reporting in order to ensure that such an activity run in a smooth manner and reach its aim effectively. Under the project, initiation has constructed a team for this event, which is in the first minutes of meeting decided on which group to which section for our is protocol bureau in this event. First, project lifecycle management views objective, scope, stakeholders and scheduling and risk planning as its primary focus. Second, site assessment involves examining the playground area, determining the priority zone and evaluating safety and environment hazard. Next, activity planning defines activities including cleaning, repair, and other tasks to be conducted by the volunteers. Operation design is concerned with ensuring the activity are accomplished in an ordering manner and in a safe manner. In the execution of Gotong Royong, this activity occur where actual implementation. Lastly, reporting and documentary involve recording attendance, volunteer engagement, expenditure, incident, and project outcomes. This Gantt chart presents a structural 7 weeks timeline for a Gotong Royong project, which systematically move from administrative preparation to physical execution and ends with a review. After recruitment slowed down, procurement in week 3 and 4 allowed for ample time needed to collect tools, cleaning supplies, and refreshment before heavy labor starts. Core activity for the middle of time include from week 5 the cleaning and clearing phase, which focus on cleaning the site of debris in preparation for the beautification work. The project then conclude in week 7 with the elaboration and reporting phase. Crucial in documentary the work undertaken and reflection on whether the project meet the intended objective and goal within the set of community goals. The project's duration is 51 days.
Now, for the network analysis, we use the activity on nodes. There are 6 activity and also the duration. And we do the PDM and also CPM diagram. And from that, we know that the trickle part is identified by activities with zero slack. The critical part is to show the sequence of activities that directly affect the project completion time. Activities A, B, C, D, E, and F form the critical path, as any delay in these activities will delay the entire project. Based on the CPM analysis, the total project duration is 53 days from the start of activity A until the completion of activity F. Continuous monitoring of these activities is essential to ensure the project is completed within the time.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Nabila. I will briefly explain our project flowchart. We started with the planning stage where the committee discussed the objective, divided tasks, and prepared the overall schedule. This step was important to make sure everyone knew their role from the beginning. After that, we carried out a site assessment to check the condition of the playground and identify which area need more attention. Next is activity planning, where we arrange the cleaning activities, prepare the tools, and organize the volunteer. Once everything was ready, we move on to the execution stage, which is when the gotong royong activity actually took place. Finally, the project ends with evaluation and reporting, where we reviewed the result and documented everything for future reference. So overall, the flowchart shows how the project was carried out step by step in a simple and organized way.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nora Shamimi and I'm going to continue with main event schedule. The first one is participant arrival and registration, safety briefing and task explanation by commit, distribution of tools and assignment of cleaning zones, group-based cleaning activities such as garbage collection, equipment cleaning, and also grass clearing. Monitoring of progress and short hydration break, waste disposal and tool collection, and the last one is appreciation session, photo session, and also dismissal. So overall, the schedule ensures smooth follow, safety, and completion of activities on time. Okay, for earned value management, is EVM was used to evaluate cost, schedule, and project performance. So we got planned value 150, earned value 135 with 90% work completed. Actual cost is 140. Results show slight delay and minor cost overrun. Performance deviation were small and acceptable for a community project. Continue with the next slide. This slide shows the earned value management or EVM calculation during the project execution phase. Based on the table, only activity E has progressed, with a planned value of 150, earned value of 135, and actual cost of 140. From these values, the schedule variance is minus 15, which indicates the project is slightly behind schedule. The cost variance is minus 5, showing a small cost overrun. The schedule performance index is 0.90, meaning the project progressed a bit slower than planned. Meanwhile, the cost performance index is 0.96, which shows the project was slightly less cost efficient than expected. Overall, this variance has minor and acceptable for a small-scale community project, and the project objectives were largely achieved through effective planning and teamwork.
Okay, for project closure, impact on environmental and sustainable development SDG, we have for SDG. Firstly, SDG 3, good health and well-being. We aims to ensure healthy life and promote well-being for all at all age. And for the SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities, making cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. And for the SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, we encourage responsible use of resources and proper waste management to reduce environmental impact. Lastly, we have SDG 15, Life on Land. We aims to protect, restore, and promote the sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems. Okay, for the conclusion and recommendation. Okay, for the conclusion, the gotong royong in Taman Permainan Saintek 2 project was successfully complete and achieve its main objective of improving cleanliness, safety, and environmental quality. Okay, for the recommendation, future programs should focus on better time management, while the promotion to increase participation and improve resources planning.